GoDaddy is currently manually processing credit card reconciliations over multiple interfaces, organizations, and systems. To help expedite the process and reduce the manual lift required, GoDaddy and Jolt Advantage Group are automating a portion of the reconciliation process, alerting humans of any exceptions that are encountered along the way, and providing supplementary information in the form of an execution report for business SMEs. This demo will illustrate our ability to use RPA to perform the Lidl reconciliation by downloading data from Workday and Lidl IQ WorldPay, generating reports, and identifying and reconciliating deltas and discrepancies through the analysis of the detailed completion log and final output in a reconciliation report. We use a dispatcher to gather data and a performer to take action based on the data gathered. Here you see the performer being kicked off in debug mode. Most of what you see normally takes place at the microsecond level, but debug mode lets you watch the robot in action. Our first step is to log into Workday. The bot starts by downloading the necessary reports from Workday by using parameters for each account stored in a master accounts list. Once the bot runs the queries, it generates the trial balance report and exports it. Now we'll see the bot work through the general ledger report, where it will use stored parameters from the master accounts list to generate the report and export it for analysis. We then move to WorldPay reporting to gather sales data based on settlement and date range. The various reports can then be archived in active folders for storage, data retention, compliancy, or further analysis. You can see that much more than just numbers are being pulled into the reports. Screenshots, profiles, as well as supplementary information is being collected. A transaction log file is generated to demonstrate all systems access with the transaction ID, process description, timestamp, activity performed, as well as the status of that activity. Lastly, the reconciliation report for business subject matter experts is generated, showing the recon name as well as the status of the various reports ran because of the automated process. And that concludes our demonstration of the GoDaddy Legacy Processor Reconciliation Bot.